Hi, Melissa here with Epson LabelWorks. Today I am with the LW-Z5010PX and I'm going to show you how easy it is to change its cutter settings. Now the Z5010PX has two cutter options. You can select the full cut or auto cut, which will cut each label separate from the other, or the half cut feature, which will cut each label separate from the other, but they'll remain connected by the backing. And then of course you can also select to have the cutter off altogether. Now I've already got my printer turned on, and you can find the cutter settings in the hamburger button, this one right here with the 3 lines. Go ahead and tap that and then select Print Settings. Once you're in that menu, go ahead and tap on Cut Settings. Here you'll find both the options for auto cut and half cut. Select them how you want and press OK when you're done. Something unique about the Z-Series printers is they have replaceable cutters for both the full and half cut features. So if or when you need to, you can easily snap in new ones and keep right on printing. That's how easy it is to change the cutter settings on the LW-Z5010PX. If you have questions or want to chat with us about your labeling needs, give us a call. We would love to talk with you. Thanks again and happy labeling.